So today we're going to be looking at this RGB case. So first thing you notice on our case here is we have two fans, one here, and actually we have two on top. And so when I actually bought this PC, there was the two in the front and there was one in back here. Then there was a special where I got the extra fan. I put them both up here because when I have my case in its sort of slot there, I actually can't see farther back than this, but I can see the top fans and the front fans. So I made them more accessible, but you can leave those where you are. It comes with this remote control, and so you can use this right now. This is on the Breathe multicolor, and you can change colors, and here this is considered purple. And you can also do solid colors. So there's red. I like purple, so I'll just leave it on purple. And so you might not be able to tell, but that is purple. So some nice things about this case besides the fans is it has this nice shiny glass covering, which you can see my reflection in. And so lots of room in here. And what I'm going to do is take off this cover to show you the inside, and then we will show you the back side too. And so here you can see I have a micro ATX board in, but you can tell there's actually plenty of room here because we have 3 or 4 extra slots. I have all my cables running in the back. When I had this motherboard in its original case, there was no room to shut the case because of the cables there, and now it's definitely no problem. When we slide the back cover off, you'll notice a couple things. So this right here is the RGB controller. I have it this way. Originally when it came, it was down here in front of the hard drives, but it was in the way, so I put it there. I would probably recommend actually putting it in this free spot here, right behind the fan and against where the hard drives are, because then you have more of a direct shot through the screen to that. Sometimes it doesn't register when I'm doing this. So basically these cables are to the fans, and then down below here too we have the hard drives here. I spent a lot of time trying to organize this so it was flat. It does, even though there's about 21 millimeters of room there, but you still need to plan ahead if you're going to have that in there. I would also recommend a power supply. You can take the cables off, the extra cables off that you don't need. That's what we have here, and then basically there's also a SSD slot, so you can actually fit 1, 2, 3 hard drives in here. I actually have my SSD down here. And just some other things to know. So the front here is plastic, the top and everything else is steel. And so because of that, this white is not quite the same as this white. But again, once the lights are on, you can't tell the difference at all. So I wouldn't really worry about that. Other things to notice when we go around front, the power supply is completely covered, as are the hard drives, which are right here. And here you can see it's running in its little hobbit home here. And you can see not quite so pretty. Sorry, little guy. Sorry you have to be in such an ugly little place there, but you are cute. So is this case worth it? So basically you get a case, you get 3 lights. I got it on special where I actually got 4 lights. Lots of room to run cables behind the PC, so I would definitely recommend it, and I would give it a thumbs up. And so that's it for my review of the DIYPC And take care, and if you like this video, make sure you like, and if you haven't already, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.